Alright everybody, haven't put any videos up in a while, and I've got quite a few sitting here on my desk, and here we go. We'll jump on into it. The customer came to me with this pretty much new Kia. They had an incident where another vehicle let off their brake and tapped into them and put this pretty ugly dent here in the back hatch of this Kia. There's almost no paint damage. There's a couple spots here that we were able to get some touch up and add it to it, and the customer elected to choose Paintless Dent Repair to save the original finish. So we're going to switch it up here. I'm going to do some really fast videos for glue pulling to shrink the damage. Now starts the crown work. This is where we use a variety of different hammers and different tips to knock the pressure, the high spots, the crowns around the dents, to release the pressure so that we can start pushing and pulling the dents further. So now I start pushing the dent out. As you can see, we got this little dolly here that I can work off so it doesn't damage the surface. This is actually where I quit filming because I have to use my phone to make phone calls and answer texts, etc. So here's the after. Decent amount of hours were spent on this, and you can see we got pretty much flawless surface. I can see where I touched up a little bit of paint right there, and I can't point to that, can I? If my camera would zoom, you can see a little bit right there. All done with Paintless Dent Repair at our shop in Ocala, 3310 Southwest 74th Avenue, Building 401. If you got damage like this, maybe not quite as bad or maybe a little bit worse, give me a call at 352-299-5674 or visit ocalapdr.com and shoot me over an email. Thanks for watching this video.